Hello, friends, and welcome back again to my channel, K2 Family. I hope you all are doing well. Well, I'm very sorry for not uploading these videos recently and continuously as well because किती काय म्हणा बना लावले हर म्हणा सीझन चेंज जाला थंडी पड पालाली आणि किती काय म्हणा मी आवाजाचे कळत आसतले सारकी थंडी जालो म्हाका आणि तितून एक किशाय बरं ना आले मध्ये एंजलूय बरं ना आले आणि त्याका लागून सारखे काय करपाकूच पावना आनी थंडी जाल्यार तुमी जाणा गायज कितें जाता पळय तें आनी त्या हितून काय शुटिंगूय करपाक मेळना लायक व्लॉग करतले म्हण कितें म्हण करतले अशें करून न्हू आनी किशाय बरं ना म्हण किशा जाण तूं कितले एक्टीव आसा किशा वॉज लायक कंप्लिटली लायक ते थोड आसताले ओगे काय बसची ना काय ना काय ना ते गेली आनी ते जालें तितले जालें आतां थोडी म्हाका जाले चार मुगे सायनस ट्रिगर जालें सारकी सायनस ट्रिगर जाल्यार म्हाका सारके त्रास जाता एंड आय रियली कांट गेट इट आय हॅड टू स्टे बॅक होम आफ्टर गेटिंग दिस सायनस and for that I could not even go to work for a couple of days and now getting better. Well, we'll be starting doing back again what we have to do and we don't do much on this vlog since Garagwa Lolo then we started doing a little bits of decoration. Christmas recipes korpalole am gelio like जायते आमगे food recipes जापालोल्यो to do list korun dullo me like kiri korpa but everything could not be done because once everything moves then everything moves around but to get timetable alta so we could not get to do what we wanted to do and it is what it is now so we can't rush on that eventually we'll get on time and get things getting better now and we will be coming back again with vlogs and as I said like we have we'll be doing the vlogs we getting people into our vlogs and we will be going to shoot to different people's house starting kota gucha koda sang korpa botale so we'll be starting from there only so we'll be starting with that also very soon now so ते आनी आम्ही आता गेल्या विका करपा लागलो पण तेन्ना पळय बंद जालो पण एनीवेज आतां जालो आहा सॉल्व सारके आनी हे पण कितें काय करूना बारीक क्रिसमसा डेकोरेशन केलें तेका लागून गायज ह्या ब्लॉगाक कांय चड दाखोवपाक पावपाना सो जस्ट apologizing for the things that we have not done a lot in this and we could not deliver a lot in the vlog but promise you that we will come a lot after. So guys, starting this vlog today by doing a Christmas decoration. We starting doing a Christmas decoration. At Sogala Christmas decoration genela. And Angel and Kisha help ko the go. Help ko. Yes? Angel will help?
Yes.
Yes? Where go?
Oh yeah.
Bye. Huh?
I'm gonna help.
Kide. Say. Kide? So guys, yeah, आता क्रिसमस डेकोरेशन करपाक आता कितें बॉक्स मुगे हाडलोली घेवन येयला हांव दाखयता तुमकां पळय ही सगळी मुगे बॉक्सां हे क्रिसमस ट्री हिंगा आहा ते आनी आतां बॉक्सान सगळे डेको बी आहा मुगेलो आतां काडून करपा जाय चोयता केशें जाता तें आतां पांच सो गायज हे डेकोरेशन आख्या बॉक्सांक दवरलो हांवें मुकोडे सगळें आतां हें क्रिसमस ट्री मांडपा जाय क्रिसमस ट्री चोयला आतां परत पयलो ना हे व्हडलो केलो तो आनी हें डेकोरेशन आतां आख्खें मांडटा आतां तिकीट लागपा तें घालता तिकीट नाका तें करता ओके किशा कितें कमी हे
Yeah, I wonder who
Okay.
is here. I think
So-
it's Santa Claus.
So guys, we are going for a movie. Moana movie लागलो हा पार्ट 2 आणि एंजलागे हाय फेवरेट न्ही आमगेली फेवरेट ती आम फर्स्ट आनी ही आम टीव्ही हाडलो न्ही फर्स्ट मुवी आमी मोहाना चयल्ली हेजेर ह्यो पार्ट केलो आहा आनी आयज नादिया कामाक गेलो आहा भायल्या भायर आमी बुकींग केलो आहा सो वील बी गोईंग फॉर मुवी आनी ह्या लापिटान न्हिदयलो आतां एंजल आवाज कोन्ना हांगाचो लापीट कशें न्हिदलो म्हगेलो हा तेका न्हिदयलो आनी ते बोड घालतले आनी ते जाणा मामा हाडपा म्हणून ओके सो गायज आतां मुवी आमी आनी मागीर आमी तुका दाखयता कितें थिंग कितें काडपा मेळटा ना काडटा नाल्यार तूं मागीर अपडेट दिता तेजें कितें आहा ती मुवी कशें हे पाटी हांव मुवी न्हिदपा ना एनीवेज
Can't wait to reach my. I never would have become a wayfinder. Like our ancient chiefs. I haven't done anything right since I've been private.
There is a way out.
Hello friends and welcome back again here at the end of the session of this vlog. Well, yakini genu bohla ga amdo to me. Angel yakide?
This is the things I got from my school.
Right? Okay, first thing first. So guys, you see this card? Angel had made this card. There was in my company there was a kids card making competition, like kids making cards, so they could participate. आणि एंजल तेका सांगला कार्ड कर म्हणून आनी जर तो प्राय लागून जाल्यार असो तेका घेतालो म्हणून सो चड भुरगे आसनालो इल्ली भुरगे आसा सो आमगे लायक इन माय ट्रान्सपोर्ट कंपनी ते आहलो तिका म्हणपाक हे करया म्हणून सो एंजल्स कार्ड वॉज चोजन एंड वॉट द कंपनी डीड वॉज व्हेरी नायस दे प्रिंटेड दिस कार्ड एंड गेव टू ऑल ऑफ आवर एम्प्लॉईज लायक ऑल ऑफ आवर ड्रायव्हर्स and so that card actually Angel had made like with glitters and everything, right?
I did
Yeah.
with Mama.
Yeah, she did with Mama. Nadia and the doga boso gotale. Maging bito man Angela borrowing stick koruno. And what company did? Company printed that and they have put their logo with their like best wishes. And they put it everything like okay, for Caitlin Angel Daesh, daughter of Cashti, Transport Department. So Esco Boran Deni Hekelo Petigake. So very nice, very good gesture from my company as well, like involving families to get into this kind of activities. They and Angel happy and by the way even Angela Magi gift voucher made think of 20 pounds
Yeah.
gift voucher she got. And she can spend that money for her for Christmas. So she got
Like
that
in
for her.
Primark.
Yes, in Primark for herself. That is one good thing. So congratulations for that. Second, Ani, how was the movie, Angel?
It was nice.
You liked it? Moana
Yeah, very
movie?
nice.
You
It
want
was
to tell something about the movie? How was the movie? Is it that last time?
Like-
The previous movie we went,
Yeah,
we
I
slept.
remember when we went to Kingdom of the Planet of the Apes.
Yeah.
That made me like boring. I slept.
Oh, did you? I thought only I was sleeping. Okay, what about Moana?
Moana, I didn't even have to sleep at all. It was very nice.
What do you want to say about the movie?
Like the movie is really nice. You shall go there with your parents, and if you see it, you'll think it's really nice, and you won't go to sleep at all. It's really
Yeah?
Yes.
And what did she go? What should they take with them while going inside?
You can take some snacks,
Like what?
popcorn.
Yes, it was very nice movie. I really enjoyed it. Like you जाता था कि first time जेन्ना आम्ही ती मोआना 1 पळयलें तेन्ना आमगे टीव्हीचेर चयलें फर्स्ट मूवी लायक आम टीव्ही हाडल्यार फर्स्ट मूवी चयलो ती मोआना सो आनी वी वॉच दॅट विथ द ग्लासेस नॉट 3D
Yeah, the 3D ones.
looks real like
You have to watch it with the 3D glasses so you can see better.
yeah it's very nice.
And if you don't like watch it with the 3D glasses, it'll be little blurry.
Yeah, because it's
In the
2D.
end, like in the end, it'll be little blurry.
Yeah, it's alright. So, okay, now let's go to the other part of the story. So here, what we got is Angel bingo prize mela. So there was a Christmas. So what was that today in your school? Christmas what? Christmas goodie day or thing kite ahlo this magte. And hamper ditale. So there was some raffles. So we bought some raffles. Angela gelole. Ani teka titulo ek prize was. She's got 1 month free tuitions for any choice of her subjects. So Angel has 1 month free tuitions for herself. I mean, Angel is smart enough. She does all her homework by herself. She's good. But,
I'm even good in my security in school.
yeah,
Yeah, very good in security.
I know you're smart. So, let's see. But anyways, you just can go and take an experience over there. You just can ask extra more things. You can ask about year 4 studies. Can you teach me about year 4, what I want to learn or something? We'll go and speak about it. That's one thing. So, congratulations for that as well. And this is something, what is this, Angel? I don't know. This is what you got from
This is
school.
something that you can also keep in your Christmas tree as a
so-
decoration.
Yeah, they had an Angel made this star in the school. So this cutout was done, but she's done the decoration very nicely. You see that star? And this is Lolly. Angel got a Santa Claus gave her. Santa Claus came and he gave this lolly to her, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah?
He was like, Santa Claus was saying, like, I'm gonna give everyone you gifts, but you have to make me something. And I said gingerbread.
You made gingerbread?
I'm gonna make
Ah,
with
okay.
you, like how
With
I
me?
made. Yeah, because last year we made cookies.
This we're gonna make gingerbreads.
Yeah, this year.
Okay, we'll do gingerbread.
And for cookies.
And this is what this biscuits. Angel got this biscuits also as a prize. Very lucky, my mama. She's sarka lucky. Waiting a prize like that. Tambola, nigo?
Yes.
Yeah, Tambola. Tambola is like okay, they lucky dips cut away. They were saying Tambola, but there will be like all lots with numbers, and there will be a lot of gifts with numbers put on that. So if you got your number and if it matches, then you get that. So Angel got one of this. And what Angel, I think so today, first time Angel spent money by herself. Usually she doesn't, she always spends with us. Only there may be 1 or 2 pounds if she wants to take. The best thing, I gave enough of money with Angel today, and I just wanted to see how she's going to spend, how she's going to keep it safe or anything. Surprisingly, not surprisingly, I knew that she will do it. She saved very wisely, very smartly. She saved very good money. That money stays with Angel only because that's her money. And she's going to use it for her for the next time whenever she has anything in the school, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah?
Exciting.
Proud? Nice. And बघे ते धाकटे लापीट तो दिल्लोला तूं म्हणटा तें खंय गेलें काय म्हणून सारके आवाज ना कितें ते सारके दिल्लोले आतां मगे ह्या टायमारू कित्याकू किशा बरो नाहलोले हरे शी वॉज नॉट वेल एवरीवन वॉज नॉट वेल मामाय बरो ना जाली हांवूय बरो ना जालो नादे बरो ना जाताले बट तें देवाको मागोन आपणा मातशें तेणें घोट दवरलो सायबा थँक गॉड एटलीस्ट शी नॉट गॉट दॅट सीक इवन एंजल वॉज नॉट वेल इन टायम्स नादे मातशें मदें मदें जाल्ले ते गेले otherwise then all things in these few days that we did not upload any videos or things were all good. After work also I went 2 more things to share. It's like Nadia also at the workplace, she's been appreciated for her work. She's got like she's also got something voucher or something she was telling me. And surprisingly the very same week I also came to know that I was the star of the month at my workplace. So everything going positively. I think I have believed God has blessed us for this whole year very beautifully, and going forward to the new year has kept a really good surprises in a beautiful way for us. Same way to everyone, I guess. And by the way, guys, as I've said, like पहिले सांगलाय तुमका आता हे म्हणता की my next vlog that I will be coming up with is the vlog that we had promised that we will be starting with a new concept. So that concept will be coming up. Ata literally ata baisotolo heju plan magiru hospaku muge mashana ke dikha first awe tamke mashana ke dikha tumke mashana mele tumi so tum koitale kon mashante next vlog ano. So in that vlog we will be going, she is going to make her one of her dish. I think muddo particular to kida sala ek to rai to corona lolo ma korpa lolo to muge tunu ani that korpalal because she is very good at that. Hore itli bar kotte gele so mag dista kon bar kotte takaisa te bare Korpa. So stay tuned for that. So that's it. Angel, you want to say anything else?
Dad, I'm so happy I met Santa Claus. I was so lucky that, like, for the first time I met Santa Claus.
How about our Christmas tree?
Oh, this is our Christmas tree. Alphonse shelf is there.
Yeah. Oh, also the McDonald's में होला पे तो क्या. So we just decorated. आणि हलो आपका decoration आडून आहे लावपा ते बारीक बारीक वस्तू आणला लावपा पण साला तर बोन आणले आम्ही काय करपा पोना दिशा भिता सारखे हांव कित्या पडो पण आत मातशें मातशें बरें करपा लागले नायस नायस करता तेका स्कादीचे दोतालो की वो चोडोनाक म्हणून but now she's been very okay, like comfortable आणि हिंगाय चोड येना एका कित्या हे हिंगे येयल्ली हे प्लास्टीक न्ही हे ते तोपता हिंगा तेका लागून आतां बी तोपता म्हणून हे करता ते. So anyways guys, I hope you all will enjoy watching this vlog. And if a movie also, movie is very nice. Go with your kids, it's worth of watching it. And I police we went to view Cinema World also, and it was very good price also. I think for the 3D movie we paid about £6 something. Very good price for that. But anyways guys, thank you so much for watching this vlog. Stay tuned. God bless you all, and our final word to say,
Adios.
Adios.